Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you may be eligible to make a workplace accident claim. If you believe that you are eligible, I'll also be going over a few steps that you can take to help strengthen your claim. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. We know from experience that following a workplace accident, some employees may not know what their rights are and whether or not they can claim. If you've been involved in a workplace accident, it's important to remember that your employer has a duty of care to ensure that they provide a safe environment for you to carry out your work-related duties. In terms of both the space that they provide as well as the training that they give to staff and the tasks that they set their employees. So, if you've been involved in a workplace accident and it was due to the negligence of your employer, you may be able to bring a claim for compensation. You should also bear in mind that if you are successful in bringing a claim, the compensation that you will receive will not come from the pockets of your employer, but that of an insurance company. This is because all employers in the UK are legally bound to hold employers' liability insurance, so any legal fees and subsequent payouts will be covered by the insurance provider and not your employer. Your employer is also not allowed to dismiss you for bringing a claim against them. If they did, you would have grounds for a further claim for unfair dismissal. Of course, it's impossible for us to say for certain whether or not you can claim. But that's why we offer a completely free, zero obligation consultation session where we'll talk through your accident with you and help you establish what your options are. You can contact us on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. Following this session, if we believe we're able to assist you with your claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that we'll handle all of the heavy lifting when it comes to securing you the compensation that you deserve, and there won't be any upfront fees. And if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as I promised earlier on in the video, I'm going to give you some tips to help strengthen your claim. So if you've been involved in a workplace accident, we highly recommend that you do the following. Collect evidence of the accident by taking photographs at the accident location and, if possible, what it was that caused the accident. If anybody witnessed your accident, ask them for a written statement or a copy of their contact details in case a statement needs to be taken from them at a later date. It's important that you inform your employer of the accident and have them complete an accident report in the business's accident report book. Check this over at the time to ensure no vital details have been left out. You should also have your injuries seen to and assessed by a medical professional. Make a note of when and where this assessment took place, as this will make getting hold of records much easier. Our final tip is that you keep track of any expenses that you've incurred because of the accident, as they all may be claimed back as part of your compensation sum. These can include the costs of any medical treatments or assessments, any care costs, any travel costs for trips made in relation to the accident, as well as the cost of any personal items that were damaged in the accident, and any loss of income from time off work, as well as the loss of any potential future earnings. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.